Hello my dear students, class 5th. Today we will be discussing about degrees of comparison. Okay. So one by one we will see the examples which have been given in your grammar textbook, page number 57. See the first sentence, Ravi is a tall boy. Okay. And if you see the second sentence, Raja is taller than Ravi. And the third one is Rana is the tallest of all. Okay. Now if you see the red words tall, taller and tallest. So you will come to know that in the first sentence, the adjective tall, okay, this adjective tall, it just shows a quality of Ravi. Yes, Ravi is a tall boy, and it does not compare Ravi with any other person. Yes, see, Ravi is a tall boy, and the adjective tall is said to be in the positive degree. Okay, Ravi is a tall boy, and it is used when no comparison is made. And if you see the second sentence, Raja is taller than Ravi. So, what do you see? In the second sentence, taller, okay, taller, which helps us to compare Raja with Ravi. What is said here? Raja is taller than Ravi. So, see, this taller word, this helps to compare Raja with Ravi. So, the adjective taller is in the comparative degree, right? So, when comparative degree is used, when two people or two things are compared, that time we use comparative degree, okay? And in the third sentence, Rana is the tallest of all. Okay. So, in the third sentence, tells, okay, what tells us? That Rana is the tallest of all. So, the adjective tallest is in the superlative degree. So, when superlative degree is used, when more than two people or more than two things are compared, that time we use tallest. Okay. So the positive, comparative and superlative degrees are called the degrees of comparison. See, there are certain rules of using positive, comparative and superlative. So first rule we will see that how to form, what is the formation of comparative and superlative degrees. Okay, so first rule is most adjectives form their comparative by adding er and their superlatives by adding est. If we see here bold, bolder, boldest, er and est. Okay, bold, bolder, boldest. Sharp, sharper, sharpest. Yes, my dear students, are you getting me? Okay. So, second rule is if the last letter of an adjective is E. Okay. If the last letter is E, what we have to do here? We have to add R or ST. R in comparative and ST in superlative. Idle, idler, idlest. Simple, simpler, simplest. Yes? Okay. See the next one. If the last letter of an adjective is Y. Okay. If the last letter of an adjective is Y with a consonant before it. Okay. With a consonant before it, then replace the Y with I and add ER or EST. Okay. So, see. ER, okay, and EST. What we have to add before? I. Yes, I. Replace the Y with I, and then we have to add ER in comparative and est in superlative. See, pretty, the last word is y, okay, and what it said here, if the last letter of adjective is y, so what we have to replace y with? IER or IEST. We have to remove y and we have to add here I, and then ER in comparative and EST in superlative. Pretty, prettier, prettiest. Mighty, mightier, mightiest. Lazy, lazier, laziest. And see, the next is but. If the Y has a vowel before it, okay, see, GREY. Y before, if we see vowel is there, E, yes. But if the Y has a vowel before it, then do not change Y to I, okay. So we have to see here very carefully that if here is vowel is not there, then we have to add here I, and if vowel before Y is there, we do not, no need to change here any change, okay. So grey, grayer, greyest, okay. So just put here ER for comparative and EST for superlative. See, the second last rule is, if an adjective is a one syllable word ending with a consonant, consonant sound, double the last letter and add ER or EST. Thin, sad, hot. These words are one syllable words, okay. So one syllable words I have taught you in 4th standard, that how to identify one syllable word, yes. You have to hold your hand, below your chin and then say the word, okay. So in this way you can identify one syllable words. See, thin, sad, hot. So what is said here, if an adjective is one syllable word ending with consonant, okay, the word ends with consonant, so what we have to do, we have to double the consonant, the last letter we have to make it double. So thin, thinner, thinnest, sad, sadder, saddest, hot, hotter, hottest. Yes, my dear students. And see, the next is, if an adjective has more than 2 syllables, okay, colorful, complicated, okay. So if the adjective has more than 2 syllables, add either more or we have to add most before the word. So colorful, more colorful, most colorful, and complicated, more complicated, most complicated. So in this way there are certain rules to form of comparative and superlative degrees.